Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Mobile Foodies. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do a soft, delicious chin chin. So I have my flour here. I have 1 kg of flour, or you might say 1000 grams of flour. I have my 2 eggs. I have my nutmeg. I have my 6 tablespoons of sugar. I have my baking powder. I have my salt. I have my tin of milk, speak milk. I have my butter. For the butter, I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of butter. For the baking powder, I will use half teaspoon of baking powder. Half teaspoon of baking powder. I'm adding my butter. So she's going to mix it. She's going to mix the flour, the butter, and the baking powder together. I'm going to add salt to it. The salt is 1/4 spoon, 1/4 teaspoon. I'm going to add my nutmeg to it. The nutmeg is going to be 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. It will give us the flavor. That's 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. For the sugar, I'm going to add my egg. I'm adding my 2 eggs to it. Then I'm going to mix it. I'm whisking it now. I'm going to add my milk. I've added my milk to the egg mix. Then I want to mix it by myself now. Make sure you wash your hand properly. So I'll make a well at the center. Then I'll add my mixture. So I added a little water to my dough. Just add a little water. The water should not be much. I want a stiff dough. I don't want a watery or a soft dough. So I'm going to flour my work surface. I'll knead my dough, then I'll leave it for 20 minutes for the dough to regain itself. I need a stiff dough. So I'm kneading the dough now. I'm rolling it now. So I want to cut the chin now. So I finished cutting it. Put inside the tray. So I'm rolling the second one now. is the last dough. So I finished cutting the chin chin. See how the chin chin detach itself. So the next thing is for me to fry the chin chin now. I'm going to fry the dough. So I'm frying my chin chin now. So I'm removing the chin chin here that I fried. You can make it to be golden brown and you can make it to be dark brown. Anyhow you want it is your choice. So I'm removing my own golden brown. So I'm going to put it inside here. So I've just put the last batch of the chin chin. See the last batch here. So here is my chin chin. It's so delicious. This is what I could get from 1 kg of flour. So that is the chin chin there. It's so delicious. I wish you can try your own. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. It's a new channel. The name of the channel is Mobile Foodies. Please subscribe to it. Try my recipe, you will not regret it. As you can see here, it's so delicious. You take it with drinks. It's a snacks, Nigerian snacks. It's so delicious. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you have not done so. Don't come and watch and go. Subscribe because I have so many things in stock for you. So bye.